First navigate to the file and select open. Select this girl image, click open. Now open the adjustment layer options and select a solid color adjustment layer. Select white color, press OK. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Select this mask thumbnail, take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black. Bring down the brush's hardness to 50%. Increase the brush's size to 3000 pixels. Then apply the paint like this. Now go to filter, pixelate and choose color halftone. Here change the settings like this. Press OK. Now go to blend modes and choose screen. Increase the opacity to 100% and you can see the final result.